Yes, hello everyone, and today I'm going to just give us some tutorial for some of my followers that have been asking me about how did I pick my trade. This is a cryptocurrency trading, and I don't normally do videos. It's once in a while when I look at what people are struggling with, and maybe if the little assistance I give can go a long way for some of us who want to change the way we think about this world. The world is changing. Everybody should know how to trade. Because keeping your money in the bank do you no good. It doesn't do you any good. Especially in Africa, the currency goes down every time. So a long story short, some of the my followers that have been asking me, how did I choose my coin? This is a Binance exchanger, and if you look at the second screen is my mobile phone screen. So these are the people that are already running uh, software that can help them to trade on their mobile phone, because now the technology has gave us every opportunity to do whatever I want to do by just having the adequate knowledge, and we make some income on daily basis. Keeping our money in the bank doesn't have any good. A bank will give you 8% of your capital in a year. Can you imagine that? Why you can do 8%, 10% even a month, even some days, some good days, you can do up to 10% per day. And let's imagine that you are doing 0.5% per day. That is going to give us about 15% per month. Which bank will not give you 15% per year? You understand? Because bank want to maintain their infrastructure, they want to pay their staffs, they want to exploit, and a lot of things going on. But technology has make us wiser. But the problem is changes. If you cannot change the way you think at this millennium time, then I'm afraid. I'm afraid when you're going to get it right financially. So now the first thing I do in the morning or in the afternoon, anytime I feel like, okay, let me check the market, is I come to what we call markets. Then what do I want to do in market is I want to check which coin that has gone down, because remember we are trading a sport trade instrument. So if you don't know what is a sport, well, maybe you need to be a member of my group. You follow me on my group. So all my lectures, all my trainings are free. I'm not charging you anything. The only thing that will cost you is your time. If you think that your time is okay to exchange for knowledge, then it's fine. Now, because we trade what we call, I want to come to fiat, and I want to see which coin is not doing fine as such today. Which coin is not doing fine? Then I scroll. I've already placed some trade today, but I just want to show you how I place that trade. If you look at here, we have what we call SMP. SMP. Look at, if you look at this, assets, SLP is minus 8.39%. These are the kind of asset I'm looking for. I want an asset that has depreciated so that I can take opportunity to invest my money there. You understand? So that's number one. We saw that. Then let's keep on going down again. We saw that. Let's keep on going down again. We saw minus 4, but you saw we saw minus 8 on top, so we couldn't. Yeah. So we still see minus. This is minus 9. We saw minus 9 here. That is, if you look at this asset, and we saw minus 9. You see minus 9. That's what we saw there. Okay. Now we saw minus 8, minus 9. So I'm getting to see what I'm going to put my money in. So then I keep on scrolling. This minus 5, minus 3, minus 12. This is another one, minus 12, which is OM. OM. So this minus 12 OM. Let me even quickly write down that one somewhere in my book. OM's USDT. Okay, good. I've done that. Then let me scroll down again. Let's see which one to give a shot at. We have minus 3, minus 9. So I keep on scrolling. Minus 6. You see what I'm doing? Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. So minus 5 point something there. Okay, now I've scrolled down and I saw what I can place my trade on. Now let me go back to Ant. Let me search for Ant here. Ant is minus 8.81. Already I'm trading Ant. Let me just show you on my phone. Today, let me scroll down my mobile phone. Today. Firstly, let me just come here so that I can show you what I've been trading since morning. You see, if you look at here, I'm trading. These are the three assets I've been trading. I've been trading today. I've been trading SLP. I've been trading Ant. I opened this Ant this morning and I've been trading YFRII since yesterday. So those are the things I've been trading so far. So now, how did I pick is what I want to tell you guys today. So how did I pick asset to trade? I pick asset that goes down, that has already went down. Because you know, spot market, you buy low and you sell high. So this is how I'm picking my trade. Some of you that have been asking me, Folarin, how do you pick your trade? This is how I pick my trade. And it's very, very simple. This is the only thing I want to show us today. And if you look at this account, let's go to Ant. Let me go to what I've done on Ant today. If you look at here, this is SLP profit today. You see today, anything I traded today, you see today on top of it. Today, I've traded Ants. I've traded SLP has given profit today. Ant has given me profit today. And Matix. This Matix, I opened it 3 days ago and it has closed today. SLP today, SLP today, SLP today, SLP today. SLP has put a lot of money into my investment today. SLP today, SLP today. I think Ant has given me some things. Okay, Thursday. That was Thursday. No, I'm not talking about Thursday. I'm talking about today. So I think okay, this is Ant. I think I just make one Ant order today. So, but because Ant is still down, so there's opportunity for me to take the control of the market on Ant. You see, Ant is minus 8 points. And if you look at let me come to my own page. If you look at Ant now, it's still minus 8 here. You see, it's still minus 8. So, and when will I leave this trade? You can see that if you look at this very well, you can see that Ant is still in cycle. But if you look at YF, I opened this YF account on Thursday, but you will see that I put it on one shot. The reason why I put it on one shot is some of you that have followed my trade before should know between one shot and cycle, you know. But this is the question I came to answer here today is how do you pick the asset to trade? And for some of us that are still doubting, is it really working? Can I do it? Yeah, I'll tell you it's working. You can do it. If I give you this account has made today today you can see that today I've made $1.42, 42 approximately 43 cents, and in 3 weeks I've made $21.51. How much did I put in this account? I put $71. I started with $71 few days ago. I mean, few weeks ago, which is 3 weeks ago. If you look at today, this is what I made today. If you look at on the 2nd, I make 0.8. On the 1st of September, I made 2.6. So the good thing is you are doing it on yourself. You don't give your money to anybody to trade for you, so people cannot run away with your money again. You are using your hand to shape your financial destiny. That's the funniest thing now. We can use our hand to reshape our financial destiny. If anybody asks you to give money for you 20%, 30% in a month, you are just doing yourself by giving your hard-earned money out. A lot of people are on the wheelchair because they have don't give money out anymore. Okay, let's quickly do some calculation for today. Some calculation for today. Let me put my calculator out so that you can see what I'm talking about. Today I have 0.43. Let's say 1.43 multiplied by 100 is equal to this, then divided by my capital that I invested, which is $71. So today on my money, I've made 2.01% of my money just today. 2.01% just today. Now let's look at what I've made in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, let's see what I've made. In 3 weeks, I've made how much? In 3 weeks, let's see, 21.55 multiplied by 100 is equal to this, divided by my capital. That is 30%, 30.35% in how many? In 3 weeks, because this account is not up to 1 month, 3 weeks ago. You can imagine this. So now this is money I made it by trading my own fund directly on my mobile phone. Now let's see, because this thing has another. Okay, let's check today's trades. These are the today's transaction record. You see, I've traded SLP, and I've traded Ant, Matic, SLP. These are today, and this is what mobile phone does. It's not me. I just pick what I want the mobile phone to, my software to trade, and the software trade. This is just all today. As a human being, you can't sit on your computer and do this in a day. You understand? You can't. So that is a proof. And then let's go to another funny place here on my mobile phone. Look at this asset you are looking, because I do some referral program with it, though I don't really put my effort on referral, because when you refer people, some people base all their income on referral. If you're a good marketer, you can still make good money with this. So but let me show what I've made today. You can see today what I've made today. These are my referrals. This is what the referrals has given me. Today is September 4. You can see what I'm showing you. This is September 4. This is what my referrals have made for me today. My referrals, all my students are making good money. So if you are my referral, I do my training free for you. You don't need to pay me anything, because already from the trade the software is making, I get paid. Look, this is what I've get paid today. For some of us, that's because we are graduates, we are looking for somebody, a company that will employ us and give us salary. You see, I'm a graduate myself, and I've never earned salary. I don't believe in salary work, though all of us cannot depend on ourselves. Some of us are destined to work for other people to make living. So it's fine. There's nothing bad in that. But you see, these are what I've made today from my referral people. You understand? And I can withdraw my money anytime. I've withdrawn several times. Okay, now let's go again to something I want to show. If you love marketing, you're a marketer. In 3 weeks, I've made $385. So look at today alone. Today alone is 13.51. Okay, let's see how much is 13.51 multiplied by let me say 14 in rand. So today I've made 184. This is 184 rand today. Then if we want to look at this as in terms of naira, for some of my Nigerian people that are following me, 13.51 multiplied by 5. I think today is 516 per dollar. This is 6,000. Can you imagine? 6,971 naira today. 6,971 naira points, today. So I'm sorry. Let me relaunch to share my screen again. So let me share my screen. Okay. That is let me come here. Okay, I don't know what will happen with my mobile sharing again. Okay, let me try again. Let me just try again. No, I've not launch. Good. Pin over. Yeah, this is my screen. Then let me look at my okay. So like I'm saying, this 13 point, which is 6,000, and this market is 247 trading. So let's multiply this by 30 days. You get 209,000 naira in a month. If you have this knowledge, this is what you are capable of getting. Let's look at in South African context, 184 multiplied by 30 days. You get 5,520 rand. This is a residual income. This is what 71 rand. I mean $71 gave me. Okay, let me see how much is my starting capital. 71 times 14. 994 rand. Does it make sense to us? So why are you labor? Why are you running on up and down on the street? Why are we looking for government to employ us? Why are we looking for people who employ us? The problem of people is we don't want to learn new things. No, I don't want my video to be too long. And we have seen it that is possible. This is a live. I'm showing everybody. There's nothing to hide. So if you want to be my follower, just talk to me. Then we set up your account. You pay nothing. You just need to invest your time. That's all. Until we meet in my next video. Bye-bye for now.